Welcome friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. My today topic is for how argan oil we can use for face application. Argan oil for face application. How to use argan oil for face? It's a 5-step. Wash your face with cold water using a gentle face wash to make sure your face is clean before applying and anything else to it. Pat your face dry, don't rub, as this can irritate your skin, and leave your skin slightly damp but not wet. Apply 2 to 3 drops of argan oil to your face and gently massage in using circular motions, ensuring that you are spreading it evening around your face. Leave to absorb into your skin for 5 minutes. The longer you can leave it, the better. Repeat this process once a day and watch your skin flourish. How an argan oil is beneficial for dry skin. Argan oil is extremely moisturizing and so particularly suitable for dry skin. You can use it on your face but also on your hands and cuticles. For example, it absorbs deeply into the skin without leaving a greasy film. Argan oil's omega fatty acids, vitamin E, and linoleic acids, all of which work to hydrate your skin and soften dry patches. Either use it daily on your face or rub an argan oil or argan oil based cream into dry areas such as your elbows or around the eyes. Is argan oil good for acne? Argan oil for acne. An amazing argan oil skin benefits is that it's very beneficial if you suffer with acne is as it helps to reduce acne scarring. It does this by promoting natural skin regeneration, hydration and elasticity. When you buy store-bought acne remedies, they often contain ingredients that strip the skin of its natural oil, causing dry skin to take its place, and then sebum production increases tenfold to supplement the lost oils. This then leads to clogged pores and further breakouts and scarring. This is where argan oil for acne comes into play. Argan oil soothes and reduces inflammation that comes along with the acne breakouts, which helps to control sebum production and reduce further clogged pores, as well as promoting self exfoliation, allowing your pores to breathe. In terms of helping it reduce existing scarring, the vitamin E contains promotes natural skin repair and antioxidants that work to repair and heal damaged skin. What more could you want? Argan oil benefits. Number 1, boosts elasticity. Number 2, hydrates skin to prevent dry and flaky skin. Number 3, prevents and reduce stretch marks. The skin regeneration and repair qualities of argan oil help to reduce inflammation, increase skin elasticity, and minimize the appearance and texture of stretch marks. Number 4, prevents and minimize sunspots. Argan oil contains a physical filter against ultraviolet light, which therefore helps to prevent sun damage, and its skin repair qualities, including vitamin E, help to fight sunspots, resulting in happy glowing skin. Note: it should not be used as a substitute for SPF. Number 5, controls oily skin. Argan oil anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can treat oily skin and acne. Argan oil regulates sebum production so your skin is hydrated and won't begin to overproduce. This is especially useful if you already have oily skin. Number 6. Reduce breakouts. Reducing sebum production helps to prevent clogged pores that can lead to breakouts. Helps other products absorb into your skin. Argan oil is ultra hydrating and aids in exfoliation, meaning there isn't barrier of skin cells for skin care production to act through and they can easily be absorbed into the skin. Number 8. Prevents wrinkles due to its highly nourishing and sun protective qualities. Skin aging caused by dry skin and sun damage is reduced. Argan oil's high vitamin E load helps strengthen the skin barrier, reducing the appearance of the fine lines and wrinkles. Protect hair from heat damage. Argan oil's abundance of vitamin E fatty acids can protect the hair and scalp from damage. From styling tools such as straighteners and hair dryers, rub a small amount into wet or dry hair before use. I hope do you like my video? Give me thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new in my channel, and share it with your friends. And for if you want to any video you want to take from me, please comment me your problems. I will be there for you. Thank you.